Sit in Padangusthasana position, that is on your toes and heels. Join your forearms in front of you. Now place your palms in between the knees. Fix your elbows on your abdomen. Slowly touch your forehead on the floor. Now slide back your toes and unfold your legs, straighten them, join both legs in the center, keep your knees straight, raise your head up. This is the position of Hansasana. To go for Mayurasana, slowly shift your torso forward, taking your head forward. Your toes will try to lift up from the floor. Balance your body. This is final position of Mayurasana. Now to release, come to Hansasana, drop your forehead on the floor, fold your legs again, raise your head, sit in Padangusthasana position and relax. Thank you for watching.